Hi guys, it's me Jam. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we'll be doing a makeup challenge. Ang makeup challenge na gagawin ko ngayon is yung I try to follow blank blank's makeup tutorial. And ang aking YouTuber na ipo-follow for today is yung aking dear friend na si Miss Rowena, Lastomen. Ang video na ipo-follow ko sa kanya is yung kanyang easy holiday glam makeup tutorial. So without further ado, let's go right into the video! Kung nakikita niyo ako tumitingin sa baba, kasi dun ko nakikita yung video na. So, let's start!
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be another makeup tutorial. So, dahil marami nagre-request sa inyo na gumawa ako ng holiday makeup tutorial, ito na siya. So, ito yung look na nagawa ko. Very simple lang, and nag-nude eyeshadow and red lipstick lang ako para naman maging special tayo sa darating na Pasko. So, if you're interested kung paano ko nagawa itong look na to, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to prime my face using a baby skin for erase.
So, ang ginamit niyang primer is yung baby skin for erase. So, meron ako nun. So, gagamitin ko rin siya and i-apply ko na siya sa mukha ko. Tatry ko siyang sabayan, pero medyo mabilis yung video eh.
Usually, sa center part lang ang aking face. Okay, for foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal and
Pwede pa lang ako. So, ayan. Usually, inuuna ko yung brows ko bago ako mag-prime. Pero dahil I try to follow, so, i-follow ko yung kanyang steps. Yan. So, yung foundation niya is L'Oreal. Ang gagamitin ko is yung Maybelline Dream Satin Skin in the shade 04. Yung shade ko is 04.
Volvo Total Cover. So, I'm in the shade Nude Beige.
And then, ang ginamit niya is sponge pang apply.
And for concealer, I'm going to use
Concealer na siya. Concealer, ang gagamitin ko is yung Shower High Blemish Pure Buff Magic Concealer in the shade 01.
Kasi mineralizing
Gamit ako ng
concealer in the shade 1.
brush pang-apply niya. Pag-apply sa
So, I'm going to set it using the Fashion 21 press powder. So, kuha lang ng brush.
Yung ginamit niya, so ang gagamitin ko na lang is yung Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One. Yung shade ko is Nude Beige, yung number 2. And gagamitin ko yung brush.
Hindi na ako mag-debate this time, guys. Okay, so for my brows, I'm going to use the Hope Water.
Wait lang. and brows. Okay. Yung ginamit nyo sa... Well, iba rin kami na ginagamit sa brows. Ako yung ginagamit ko is yung EB Color pencil in the shade brown. This one.
Use eyebrows. Okay guys, so I'm going to move on with eyeshadow.
So, yan. Tapos na yung brows ko finally. So, continue na.
Shadow. So, for that, I'm going to use the Awesome Eyeshadow 15 Colors Eyeshadow from Detail Makeover. So, ito yung
So, stop ko muna dito. Napansin ko hindi nag-prime si Rowena ng lids. So, ako kasi may hyperpigmentation yung lids ko. So, dark yung lids ko. Kailangan ko mag-prime. So, mag-prime muna ako bago ko i-play ulit yun. Ayan, na-prime ko na yung lids ko. Now, we can continue with the video.
pang transition shade ko. So, this is in the shade Nox. Ayan siya. And then, kukuha lang ako ng brush. Tapos, kukuha ko nito. And then, I'm going to apply it all over my lids.
All over.
Kukuha ko ng pointed brush. Then, kukunin ko din itong shade na to. Tapos, ilalagay ko din siya sa aking lower lashes. Pointed brush. Okay guys, so moving on, I'm going to use this opal shade. And then, i-apply ko siya sa outer ng ating lids. Guys, and then babalik lang ulit ako dito.
Wait. So, for eyeliner, gagamitin ko is yung Jazz Eyeliner Kit.
So, for eyeliner, I'm going to use the variety Lemon.
So, magko-contour na tayo. And Okay, next.
So, I'm going to use the Sleek Makeup Face Contour Kit, Press Powder, and Highlighter in one. So, this is in the shade Light. Then, kukunin ko lang yung pang contour niya. Then, for my nose, ayun ulit yung gagamitin ko. And then, kukuha lang ako ng small fluffy brush. And then, magkukumpare na din tayo sa nose. And then for highlights, guys, eto na lang din yung gagamitin. And then for blush, I'm going to use the Sassy Colors na blush on. And this is in the shade Radiant Glow. And then, kukuha lang ako ng blush brush or kahit anong brush na gusto nyo gamitin pang blush on. And then, blush on tayo na. Very slight.
O, ito na lang.
Hello. So, let's now move on sa ating lips. And for that, I'm going to use the Me Now True Lips na lip liner pencil. So, this is in the shade 058 or ito yung pinaka-red sa dun sa box or sa collection nito. Ilaline ko lang yung lips ko para hindi sabog yung red lipstick natin mga.
Ako, ang gagamitin ko is yung EB Lip Pencil in the shade, I don't know, wala nakalagay.
Okay, so for my lipstick, I'm going to use the powder matte.
Ako, yung Simply Matte by Detail Makeover in the shade
From
Peach.
Maybelline. So, this is in the shade Get Ready. So, i-apply ko lang siya. So, ganyan yung shade niya and then ganito yung swatch niya, guys. So, ayan guys, we're done with the makeup and finalize ko lang yung look natin and I'll be right back. So, there you go guys. This is our final look. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong look na to. And kung nagustuhan nyo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And kung hindi pa kayo part ng aking hashtag WeirdOsFun dito sa YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button beside.
So, that was the look. So, nag-finalize lang siya ng look niya. Mag-finalize na rin ako ng look with mascara and everything in the hair. So, I'll be back. So, this is the finished look, guys. Ito yung Easy Glam ni Miss Rowena Lastomen. Ayan. I enjoyed following si Rowena Wena sa tawag namin sa kanya. Eh, ang hirap pala sumunod sa tutorial. Kasi syempre, ini-edit, kinakat. So, yung process ng paglagay is hindi singhaba ng process ng paglagay mo ngayon. So, I enjoyed it. Pinupost ko siya every now and then. Although, hindi kami pareho ng ginamit ng foundation, ng lipstick, na katulad ng pang-contour namin, and blush. Pati yung highlight, hindi kami pareho ng ginamit. And also, nag-prime ako ng lids ko kasi nga, katulad ng sabi ko kanina, is yung lids ko is medyo dark. So, kailangan ko mag-prime at kailangan kong flat yung kulay niya para mas maganda yung payoff ng color. So, I hope you like it kasi ako nag-enjoy ako sa paggawa nito. And hello kay Rowena, tribute ko to para sa'yo dahil ikaw ang pinaka-supportive kong friend na nagpo-push sa akin mag-continue ng YouTube and my makeup kahit na medyo minsan ang dami kong ginagawa, lagi mo ako nire-remind. And super thank you for being friends for so long. So, if you like this video and you wanna see more videos like this, please do subscribe and like this video and leave a comment down below kung ano pang gusto nyong gawin kong video or challenges dito sa YouTube. Bye! See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe!